Hey everyone, I'm Srinivasan, .NET developer. We are looking into SQLite tutorials. In this video, I'm going to explain you what this average function is. So yeah, you may have seen average function in any other databases. The same way we are going to uh, use in the SQLite query, and so for that we are going to use. This parent table and particularly this column age column, so we are going to see the average value of the age, all these six values. So, okay, so for that select average age from parent. That's it. So we can see this is the average value of all these six values, given all six values. Yeah, so I hope you can understand what is the average function is, so you can use in your when you need this function. And yeah, thank you friends. In the next video I'll come up with a different topic, and yeah, thank you.